Hi everybody, it's Adam Pascal here, the original Roger from the original cast of Rent. I'm here to say hello and goodbye to all of you who have been supporters and fans of the show over all of these years. I know that we're all sad that the show is closing on Broadway, but I have to say that I feel very lucky that I have had Rent in my life over all of these years, and I'm sure all of you feel that way too, so I think it's important to hold on to that and replace any sadness you may have with a feeling of joy that Jonathan was trying to achieve with his show, and I think that that's hopefully what we all take away from the show. And I know a lot of you are interested in the tour, which is going to be happening in 2009 that Anthony Rapp and myself will be performing in, and we will be coming to a city near you, and hopefully you'll all come check us out. Rent has been an incredible experience for me. It's changed my life. I'm sure it's changed a lot of your lives. But I think that the most important aspect of this show is to come away with the messages that Jonathan was trying to put forth and to incorporate those messages of acceptance and friendship and love into your own lives. So let's all go do that. And thank you for supporting us over all these years. Come check us out on tour. And you can also check out my new record, Blinding Light, at meandlarry.com. And I will be also touring to support that as well. So anyway, take care and lots of love to all of you.